Namaste. I'm Nicole, and thank you for joining me in this class. I decided to do these video classes because of the moment we are all living, this global lockdown. And so you have all the time now to start practicing yoga. You have no excuses. And since for me yoga, it's the total user manual for a human being, you will find all sorts of things. It's a science, it's a philosophy, and is a practice. So today we'll be concentrating on Surya Namaskar, the Sun Salutation, and it's all about flexibility of the spine and moving and starting to move energy around the body. So usually it's practiced at the beginning of the class. There are many things to remember in each asana. It's a vinyasa, so it's many asanas one after the other in a series, and there is a sync between the breathing and the movement. And so I will be splitting it up for the first round because each round is 24 asanas. And so like the 24 hours of the day, each hour has its own asana. And the first round I will be splitting it up so that you really do understand the position. And then the second round will be a little bit more focused on the breathing. But let's start. So you stand in front of your mat and start by feeling how the weight is spread in the soles of your feet. Be aware of the breathing of your back, if it's straight or not. You can try tucking in the tailbone a little bit so you feel the movement of the back. The chest is opened. Inhale to exhale, hands to the chest, to the heart. Palms of the hands are together. You feel the push between the two palms. You can breathe in the position so you understand exactly the position, that the legs are engaged and they're straight, chin to chest. Next inhalation, bring the hands up to the sky. Arch back, the hips are going forward. You can breathe in the position so you really feel the position. The muscles of the buttocks, of the core and of your back are engaged to support your spine. Then next exhalation, hands to the ground. The movement is from the hips and the back is straight. So if you don't reach the ground like this, it's perfectly okay to put the tips of your fingers so to have the back straight. The important is to have the back straight, the legs are straight. Feel the position. The sitting bones are looking up to the sky. The legs are totally straight and engaged. The head is relaxed. With the next inhalation, right foot back. Now, here it's very important that your knee and your ankle are on a straight line. And then you feel the stretch here in the hips. Fingertips on the ground. The back is straight. You're looking forward, straight in front. Then retain your breath. Your left foot is going back next to the right foot. Plank pose. Now breathe in the position. You should feel a stretch from the navel to the heels that are pushing back, and from the navel to the head that is pushing forward. Hands are pushing on the ground. Legs are engaged. core muscles engaged, buttocks muscles engaged. Then exhale, knees, chest, chin on the ground, elbows are next to the body. Breathe in the position. Inhale, push forward, and head and shoulders are arching back. Feet are together. This is very important that buttocks muscles, core muscles, back muscles are all engaged. The hands are spread on the ground, they're pushing up. Then exhale, hips to the sky, and the body is in a V shape. Now the heels are pushing down to the ground. The weight is evenly spread in the palms of the hands. The back is not neither too loose nor up, it's straight. Breathe in the position. Next, inhalation. Right foot in front, left knee on the ground, fingertips on the ground, back is straight and you're looking forward, straight and forward. Breathe in the position, feel the stretch in your hips, the knee on top of the ankle. Breathe. Then exhale, left foot in front next to the right foot. Again, if you can't reach, you keep it up. If not, go down, relax the head, breathe in the position. Feel the stretch of your legs. Then inhale, hands and torso go up, arch back, really feel the stretch. The hips are moving forward. Then exhale, hands to the heart, Anjali Mudra, chin to chest. Inhale to exhale again. Same thing, starting with the left foot. So inhale to exhale. Inhale, hands up, arch back, hips forward. Exhale, hands to the ground. Feel the stretch. Inhale, left foot back, fingertips, back is straight, you're looking straight forward. Retain plank pose. Heel are pushing back, hands are pushing up, arms are straight. Core muscles, legs, and back muscles are engaged. Exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground, elbows to the body. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra. Feet are together, head and shoulders are arched back, elbows are really next to the body. All the muscles are engaged. Exhale, hips to the sky. Body's in a V shape. Breathe in the position if it's too hard for you. Then inhale, left foot in front. Fingertips on the ground. Back is straight, look in front. Exhale, right foot next to left foot. Inhale, stretch back, hips forward. Exhale, Anjali Mudra. This is one whole cycle of Surya Namaskar. Now we're going to do it more a little bit faster and putting a big awareness on the breathing. So we first start with the with the right. Inhale to exhale, Anjali Mudra. Inhale, up and arch back. Exhale, hands to the ground. Inhale, right foot back. Back is straight. Retain, plank pose. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskaran. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra, low cobra. Exhale, hips to the sky. Downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot in front. Exhale, left foot in front. Inhale, hands up, arch back. Exhale, hands to the heart, Anjali Mudra. Inhale, exhale, we'll start with the left this time. Inhale, hands up, arch back. Exhale, hands to the ground. Inhale, left foot back. Retain plank pose. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot in front. Exhale, right foot in front. Inhale, hands and torso up, arch back, hips forward. Exhale, Anjali Mudra. Now we've done the second round, and you can do as many as you want, fast, slow, doesn't matter, as long as you really got how the position is and the breathing, the sync. Then after Surya Namaskar, you have to lay in Shavasana for at least 5 minutes, and the feet need to be shoulder wide, width. Hands are apart from the body, the arms are a little bit apart from the body, palms are to the sky. Very important that your back is straight, your shoulder blades are tucked in and flat on the ground. And you put your awareness on the breathing, and by thinking that each inhalation you breathe in light and negative things, and you exhale and you breathe out darkness, anxiety, depression, negativity. Then you can scan your body from the toes up very slowly and see if there is any tension, and you just consciously release it. So I hope you enjoyed, and that this can be useful for you. I would love to have your feedback, and thank you very much. And tomorrow we'll be doing something more and different. Namaste.